MTT Y2K Turbine Superbike, the jet-powered monster they said shouldn't exist. Imagine riding a motorcycle, powered not by pistons, but by a real jet engine. That's not science fiction. That's the MTT Y2K Turbine Superbike, the world's first street-legal jet-powered motorcycle, and one of the most extreme machines ever built. Born in the early 2000s, the Y2K was created by Marine Turbine Technologies, a U.S. company that normally builds turbines for the military and industrial world. But someone at MTT had a crazy idea. What if we put a Rolls-Royce jet turbine on a motorcycle? And they did. The result? A bike so powerful, so loud, and so ridiculously fast that it shocked the motorcycle industry. With over 320 horsepower, 425 feet-pounds of torque, and a red line of 52,000 RPM, this machine didn't accelerate, it launched. The Guinness World Records officially named it the most expensive production motorcycle, the most powerful production motorcycle, and only around 15 units were ever built. Even celebrities like Jay Leno had to have one, and he famously joked that the exhaust was hot enough to melt the bumper of any car unlucky enough to sit behind it. Top speed, 375 kilometers per hour, 227 miles per hour recorded. Some claims say it can push near 400 kilometers per hour under the right conditions, and 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 1.5 seconds, faster than many hypercars. But the Y2K wasn't just fast. It was terrifying. The turbine drank fuel like crazy, produced extreme heat, and maintenance required turbine specialists, not your average mechanic. And yet, it was fully street legal. A jet engine on public roads. Today, the original Y2K costs around $185,000, while the newer 420 RR version reaches $275,000. These bikes aren't bought, they're collected. They're rolling pieces of engineering madness. So here's the question for you. Would you dare ride a 320 horsepower jet turbine motorcycle on the street? Or is the Y2K simply too wild for real-world riding? Drop your answer below. Let's debate.